And here, hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, then you're probably doing a bit of research on this program right here called Easy Cash Code, okay? So what I'm going to do over the next few minutes is go through the program. I'm going to actually review it, tell you exactly what you're going to get with this program if you decide to invest in it, and then at the end of the video, it's up to you. You can invest or not, okay? So I had to, I researched this program. I had to write a lot of stuff down because it's a very, very deep funnel, okay? And I'll kind of explain, it to you as I go. So what is Easy Cash Code, okay? It is basically an information product that teaches you all about internet marketing, okay? A lot of different areas of internet marketing, and I'll kind of go through it. Now, this is the actual sales page. It's very, very simple. It looks pretty old, to be honest. And it says, it shows you how you can earn up to $500 daily on complete autopilot. Now, here's the thing. When you actually watch this video, all right, they use a lot of hypey sales copy and tactics that says stuff like it's very easy to earn money online. You don't really have to do that much. You can earn, up to $500 a day by doing nothing. So you have to be really, really careful of products that have sales pages like that because, again, when it comes to internet marketing, you really do have to put in a lot of effort to build your business. There's no such thing as just pressing a button and waiting for money to rain from the sky, okay? So any product that says that, they're just using hypey sales tactics to try and get you to buy, okay? Now, again, it's very, very cheap. You can't see the price tag here because my video's in the way, but the first entry product is 18 bucks, okay? So what do you actually get for $18? You don't get that much, to be honest, right? You get access to the back office, and basically they will teach you how to remarket this program using some traffic strategies like Facebook, forum advertising, and what's the other one? And YouTube marketing. Now here's the problem, right? The strategies that they teach you are extremely old. Okay, this stuff, the content that's given could be stuff, 10 years ago. I've been online for almost 10 years now, and the stuff that they're teaching you on, is stuff that I learned back in 2008, 2009, okay? Very, very early on. So a lot of it doesn't work. I mean, they're talking about posting links in Facebook groups. Facebook doesn't like that. It's saturated. It's going to take you forever if you're going to be marketing that way. They talk about YouTube marketing, but they don't actually teach you how to do any YouTube marketing. They just talk about it, right? So you're paying $18 for, someone to tell you to go to YouTube and market, but they don't actually teach you how to do anything, okay? Now, once you go through, if you decide to buy that first entry product, there are 5 or 6 upsells in the back end, okay? And they continue to upsell you, and upselling is okay if the products are valuable, but this program is just random, all right? They just literally just try and upsell you into different things. So I'll kind of go through it, right? So the next upsell is a master reselling right, okay? So it allows you to resell this entire sales funnel, and that costs $37, okay? So you're paying $37 to resell it. It's not expensive, but again, it's what are you actually reselling, right? I wouldn't resell this program, and maybe you might decide not to do it after you listen to this review, but again, you're reselling a pretty crappy sales funnel, okay? Then the next upsell is $47. And it's about domain flipping and extreme couponing and Google AdSense. Just completely random stuff, okay? So first of all, I wouldn't get into the business of domain flipping because it's extremely difficult. It's basically like property, okay? You go after cheap domains and then you flip it for something more expensive. It's not the best online strategy. I'm really surprised that they're even teaching that. For example, extreme couponing, right? So how do you make or save money from actually getting different coupons and buying stuff online? Again, super random. I don't even know why they're teaching that. And then Google AdSense, which is an extremely old strategy, all right? It's when you own a lot of different websites and you put Google AdSense on that website, and every time somebody sees that your ads, you make like half a cent, okay? So over time you can make a little bit of money, but Google AdSense is extremely old. It's a very, very old strategy. You cannot make that much money from it, okay? So the first few products that they're selling you already super outdated. You're not going to make that much income from it, all right? And then there's a big upsell for about $200. It's called the Cash Code Vault, okay? Again, extremely outdated. It's about affiliate marketing. So now you're getting into the meat and potatoes. They're starting to teach you a little bit about affiliate marketing. learning to drive traffic, learning to build websites, learning to drop your affiliate links, stuff like that. But again, the training is very outdated, okay? Very outdated and very shallow. You're not gonna learn that much from that. 200 bucks, okay? That they want you to pay for that kind of information. Then there's another upsell. It's called, it's an SMS software. It's 200 bucks again. Again, you know, it's very strange. It's very random. You know, usually when people do upsells, it needs to make sense, right? The upsell product needs to be an enhancement of the product earlier. But with this sales funnel, it's just random. It's almost like they're trying to grab whatever they can, stick it in a sales funnel, and hopefully people will buy and upgrade. It's very, very strange. So I wouldn't pay 200 bucks for an SMS software. There are a lot of other great SMS softwares that you can just Google and you can pay a monthly fee to. You don't have to pay 200 bucks to it. So again, you know, just super random. And then their last upsell is called the 6-Figure Mastery. It's $500, okay? And this one is really interesting. Literally, I've never seen this, because most of the time when people sell products, right, what they'll do is they'll give you as little value as possible, right? But this 6-figure product, it's almost like the owner took all of his products and just stuck it under one umbrella and then just shoved it there, okay? So with this 6-figure mastery, you can learn everything from blogging, Facebook, Fiverr sales, sales videos, freelancing, how to sell from stage. You know, it's just everything. There's just so much information back there. It's just ridiculous, okay? Some of it is very shallow as well, so you're not necessarily going to get a deep understanding of it. And it's so random. It's just all over the place. It's, you know, different topics that just don't relate to each other. So yes, you might be able to get some knowledge from, you know, some of the courses in there, but it's so haphazard that you're not going to have any focus, and it's very likely that you're not really going to action any of those strategies and not get any value or results from it, okay? So, what is my verdict of Easy Cash Code? Is that it's not that easy, okay? It's very, very strange. It's one of the most random sales funnels or products that I've ever reviewed, you know? It's just a mix-up of a whole bunch of different products. So, you know, I would rate this out of 10, I'd probably give it like a 5, okay? You might get some value if you decide to upgrade all the way to the end. But again, it's not a valuable course. There are much better courses out there. If you're going to be spending, you know, $500, $1,000 for all the products, whatever, there are a lot of much better programs out there that will give you focus, laser focus, so that you'll actually get results in online marketing, okay? So, who am I to even give you this information? I've been online for 9+ years now, almost 10 years. In that time, I have done a lot of different things, tons of network marketing, tons of affiliate marketing. You know, first 8 years that I was marketing online, made a lot of mistakes. Made a little bit of money here, made a little bit of money there, but wasn't actually able to generate, you know, significant income on a regular basis because I didn't know what I was doing. Again, I was buying products like this that were super random. You know, there was no focus. I've done lots of push button software as well. And after 8 years of, you know, pretty much failing online, I met somebody online who explained to me, listen, Aaron, you know, what you need to do is you need to focus, okay, just on one thing. And that one thing is basically understanding how to market on the internet. Okay, if you understand how to market online, you can pretty much go out there and make money with anything. Okay, so if I wanted to right now, I could technically remarket Easy Cash Code and make quite a lot of money from it. But am I going to do that? No, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to market some random sales funnel that is not going to get my people good results, right? So again, it's all about integrity and marketing the right programs, okay? But when you understand how to market online, you're learning all about traffic. You're learning all about conversions. You're learning all about presentation, influence, posturing, power, and sales funnels, okay? And understanding how to take people through a journey. And when you understand how to do that, you can literally go out there and sell anything you want, all right? Now, since I went through this program a year and a half ago, I've generated tens of thousands of dollars online in profits. I've sold hundreds of products online, okay? Now, how did I do that? How did I go from 8 years of failure to a year and a half of pretty amazing success, right? It's all about learning how to market properly, okay? Now, if you want to do that in a very systematic way, then all you have to do is click on the link right below this video. You'll see a little link right there. It'll lead you to my website. Enter your best email address in that website because I'm going to send you some information that's going to show you how I went from 8 years of failure to a year and a half of pretty amazing success, okay? And then on the next page, you're actually going to see the program that I recommend all my students go through. Now, take your time, watch the video, okay? If it makes sense, you know, if what's being said on the video makes sense to you, you resonate with it, I recommend that you just get in, okay? Because this program will teach you all about marketing, it'll teach you all about sales funnels, it will really give you focus on how to actually make it big on the internet, okay? So if you want to check that out, completely up to you. You can click on the link below. Before I leave you though, also understand that this industry requires three things, okay? It requires a lot of effort, it requires you to take tons of action, and it requires you to invest some money into your business, because this is a real business, right? You can't invest $18 and expect to make $1 million. There's just a huge disconnect right there, okay? So if you're here for, if you got a lottery ticket mentality, if you just want to push a button and, watch money rain from the sky, this is not for you. Online business is not for you, okay? But if you get that, you're willing to put in the work, but you're just, thinking, I need, something that works. I need someone to show me what to do step by step. If that's you, then this program, by clicking below, that might help you out, okay? So listen, I hope you enjoyed this review of Easy Cash Code. Pretty extensive review. Again, be very, very careful with the stuff that you decide to invest in online. I think you can see from this video that this sales funnel, this product, this program is just absolutely strange. It's one of the weirdest programs I've ever seen online, okay? So I wouldn't necessarily invest in it. There are a lot of other better programs out there. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Take care, all the best with your business, and I'll speak to you soon.